this is full speed on the TTR 125, 2002. Great beginner's bike. Perfect for learning your clutch, your throttle work, your braking. Another option for beginner teen riders will be the Honda 150R or RB. Great bike. Recommend that one. And a TTR 125. This is a fun spot right here. Would check it out if I had time. Ooh, almost fell right there. So I've been riding since I was 5. I am almost 15 now. The best part about dirt biking is probably being able to have fun, do the things you like with the people you like. The dirt bike is one of the greatest machines ever built, in my opinion. Not only because it's such a great thing, beautiful, but it's because it brings joy into our lives.